Hello and welcome back to my channel Blue Road Graphics. Today I will show you how to make this. Before getting into the tutorial, please subscribe to my channel so that I can get motivated. So let's get started. Create a new artboard of 1280 and 720 pixels with RGB color mode. Before designing the logo, turn on Smart Guide and snap to point in Windows panel. You can see the keyboard shortcuts below on my screen. Draw an ellipse and align it to center. Then draw a rectangle to get the correct dimensions of it and make it to strokes. Lock all sublayers and draw the path using pen tool. Reflect the path using Reflect tool and align it to the point. Complete the paths. Select all and use Shape Builder tool and subtract the not needed shapes by holding on to the Alt button on keyboard. Let's detail this first. We are using gradient here. Use the color as your needs and give shades to them. Use Shape Builder tool to get rid of the unnecessary shapes. Bring the other layer onto the front. Color it with the gradient and give shadows. Give the stroke for detailing. Convert the stroke to shape by Object Panel, then to Path, and then Outline Stroke. Turn on Guides by Ctrl+R and align the two guides horizontally and vertically. Use the Reflect tool to copy them below. Thank you for watching, and drop your feedback in the comment section below. Take care and have a nice day.